In this video, I'll be showing you best video to MP3 converter for PC. So let's get started. Let's download the tool we'll be using. It's called VLC Media Player. Open VLC website in any browser in Chrome. You can download it from here. This time I have already downloaded. After installation, open VLC Media Player. Once opened, at the top left corner, click on Media. Then choose Convert/Save. In the window that opens, click the Add button, click Open. Now click the arrow next to Convert/Save and choose Convert. In the Convert section, go to the Profile drop-down and scroll down to the Audio section. Select Audio, MP3. Next, click Browse to choose where to save your MP3 file. Make sure you change the file extension at the end to MP3, then click Save. Now click Start to begin the conversion. You'll see a blue bar at the bottom showing the progress. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe buttons and check out our next video. Thanks for watching.